Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by importing the clip and isolating its audio. This lets you work on sound without affecting the picture. Once imported, pinch or tap to select the clip, then use audio right arrow extract, or detach, to create a separate waveform. Make sure to immediately mute the original video track or slide its volume to 0 so you can audition replacements. Doing this prevents phasing and keeps edits non-destructive, so you can always revert if a change sounds worse. Next, focus on cleaning or replacing that isolated audio. If the noise is intermittent, use trim and volume keyframes to duck sections. This reduces background without removing dialogue. For persistent noise, export the extracted audio, process in a noise reduction app, then re-import, or try Inshot's built-in filters and equalizer to cut low rumble and high hiss. Once cleaned, align the new audio to the video and balance levels so dialogue sits clearly over any background music. This improves clarity and consistency. Finish by polishing levels and exporting a short test clip so you can evaluate results on different devices. Apply subtle fade in /out and use normalize or manual gain so peaks don't clip, then export at your target quality. If background artifacts remain, reopen the extracted audio, run a stronger noise reduction pass, and re-import. Make sure you export at 44. 1 or 48 kHz to avoid resampling noise. If syncing slips, nudge the audio frame by frame. That usually fixes timing glitches.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.